following presentation is on Kick's process window index. A profile is a complex set of time temperature values for a wide variety of process data such as slope, soak, reflow, and peak. The critical information we are after is whether this profile data accommodates the established process window, or if you will, is my profile in spec. Kick has been able to distill this complex information down into a single number called the process window index, or PWI. If the PWI number is less than plus or minus 100%, the process is in spec. 0 represents the center of your spec. In this example, let's look at just peak. You have defined your spec as 235 to 245 degrees C. Here we see a PCB being reflowed. The peak temperature is deep within your spec at 35%. Remember, 0 is the center of your spec, and anything above or below plus or minus 100% is out of spec. Now that's easy to interpret. A higher peak temperature, as expected, represented also by a higher PWI value. This board is well outside your specified peak temperature, though your board would unlikely spontaneously combust. Many of engineers might, though, if your process is running this hot. PWI allows you to go to the next step and pull it all together. We are not only looking at peak in isolation. Here the software is searching for the steepest slope along your profile, while also adding the dimensions of peak, soak, and reflow. As each board is profiled, each of these variables will have their own PWI values. Like a chain, your process is strong as its weakest link. In this case, your soak is 81%. Therefore, your overall PWI will be 81%. In this example, both your soak and reflow are technically in spec, but on a razor's edge. Most engineers will want to profile further into spec. Here both peak and reflow are running very hot out of spec. Here your reflow is running much too long, cooking your components. Hungry? Here your oven is running much too cool. Soak, reflow, and peak are not even close to temp. To learn more how PWI can help you profile both manually as well as fully automated solutions, visit our website at www.kickthermal.com.